Section C. Question number 32. Find the solution of a linear pair equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and 5x minus 4y is equal to 6 by elimination method. Okay, for most of the student I will suggest to do only elimination method. Okay, substitution method is little bit tricky. Okay, so it's better to do only elimination method. Okay, so first equation will be 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, first equation, and second equation 5x minus 4y is equal to 6. Okay, coefficient of x will be or 2. Okay, so that I have to multiply with the second equation, and coefficient of second equation will be 5, so that I have to multiply with the first equation. Okay, after multiplying I will get 10x plus 15y is equal to 35, and then down I will get 13x minus 8y is equal to 12. Okay, so now I have to change the signs. Okay, for plus 10 it will be minus, and for minus 8 it will be plus 8. Okay, and for 12 it will be minus 12. Okay, so 23y is equal to 23, so y is equal to 1. Substitute y1 in equation 1. Okay, so that I will substitute in equation 1. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. If I take 3 on the other side, it will be minus. Okay, so 2x is equal to 7 minus 3. Okay, so x is equal to 4 upon 2. So x value of x is 2. Therefore the solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Question number 33. Find the root of a quadratic equation 6x square minus 19x plus 8 is equal to 0 by factorization method. Okay, by factorization means first term multiply by last term. Okay, so 6x square multiply by 6x multiply by 8. Okay, so I will get 48x square. Okay, then I will remove factors. Okay, 2 multiply by 48, will I get 19? No, I won't get. Okay, so 3 multiply by 16, yeah, I will get 19. Okay, but I have to put minus sign for both. Okay, so minus 3x minus 16x. Okay, now 16x square minus 3x minus 16x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now 3x is common in first two terms. Okay, so 3x bracket 2x minus 1, and in second 8 is a common. Okay, minus 8. Okay, so minus 8 I have removed. Okay, so 3x minus 8 bracket 2x minus 1, either 3x minus 8 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 3x is equal to 8, so value of x will be 8 upon 3 and value of x will be 1 upon 2. Therefore the root of a quadratic equation are 8 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. Question number 34. Find the root of a quadratic equation 3x square minus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0 by a quadratic formula. So now I have written the equation. Okay, so a will be 3 and b will be minus 14 and c will be minus 5. First I will find discriminant. Okay, discriminant formula is what? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, so I will substitute value of b will be minus 14 minus 4 multiply by 3 multiply by minus 5. Okay, after solving I will get value of d is 256. Since d is greater than 0, two distinct real root exist. Okay, then using quadratic formula, what is the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root d upon 2a. Okay, then I will substitute the value of b. Okay, b is minus and minus, this minus is from formula. Okay, and this minus 14 and plus or minus root 256 upon 2 multiplied by 3, so is equal to 14 plus or minus 16 upon 6. Okay, after solving final value of x I will get 5 and other value of x will be minus 1 upon 3. So therefore the roots are 5 and minus 1 upon 3. Question number 35. This is a sure question. Okay, this will come in last three examination. No, this question have repeated. Okay, so I will make a short reel on this. Okay. Question number 36. This question also repeats most of the time. Okay, so I will make a real short video on this. Okay. Question number 37. In the following, the rectangle PQRS is inscribed in a circle with center O. If PQ is 8 cm and PS is 6 cm, find the shaded region. Okay, to find shaded region, what I need? I need a area of a circle minus area of a rectangle. Okay, area of rectangle I can remove. Okay, length multiplied by breadth. Okay, but I don't have a diameter over here to remove the area of a circle. So rectangle PQRS, okay, and given PQ is equal to 8 cm, PS is equal to 6 cm. So for rectangle, the corner angle will be what? Right angle. So I will use what? Pythagoras theorem. For which triangle? Triangle SPQ. Okay, so SQ square is equal to, okay, SQ will be hypotenuse side. Okay, is equal to PS square plus PQ square. Okay, so PS given 6, okay, so 6 square plus PQ is given 8, so 8 square. After solving SQ, I will get 10 centimeter. Okay, this 10 centimeter SQ will be your diameter. Okay, so SQ will be your diameter. Okay, so radius will be 5 centimeter. Then I can find the area of a circle pi r square. Okay, so I have substitute. In the end, I will get 78.57 centimeter square. Then area of rectangle is what? Length multiplied by breadth. Okay, so I will get 48 centimeter square. Then area, in question they have asked us find the area of a shaded region. So area of a shaded region will be area of a circle minus area of a rectangle. Okay, so 78 minus 57 minus 48. Okay, sorry, 78.57 minus 48. So final answer will be 30 minus 57 centimeter square. See, here I have done this subtraction. Okay, and here I have done division. Okay, those who are having problem in doing divisions, here I have done. Okay, the angle of a elevation of a top of a building at a height of a 40 meter and its foot on a horizontal plane is found to be 60. Find the height of the building. Okay, so height of the building will be AB will be opposite to angle 60, so that will be opposite. Okay, and BC is your adjacent side, so opposite upon adjacent will be tan theta, so tan 60. Okay, AB is the height of the building in triangle ABC. Tan 60 is equal to AB upon BC, so tan 60 will be root 3 is equal to AB upon 40. After multiplying, no, AB is equal to 40 root 3 and value of root 3 is 1.73. So final answer of AB will be AB is equal to 69.20 meter. Therefore the height of the building will be 69.2 meter. Question number 39. A solid in a shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere of a radius r is equal to 12 centimeter and slant height 13 centimeter. Find the volume of a solid. The figure looks somewhat like this. Okay, so we have cone and a hemisphere. So cone L is equal to 13 centimeter, R is equal to 12 centimeter, and for hemisphere radius also will be same. Okay, so they told us to find the volume of a solid. Okay, so volume of solid will be volume of a cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay, and volume of cone will be what? 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus 2 pi upon 3 r raised to 3. Okay, so what is common? Pi and r square is common, so I have removed outside. Okay, so bracket h upon 3 plus 2 r upon 3. but in this they didn't give us the value of h. Okay, so I'm using slant height formula. Okay, L is equal to root r square plus h square. Okay, so value of L is what? 13 square, and value of r 12 square plus h. Okay, so 13 square will be 169 and 12 square will be 144. If I take on the other side, it will go in minus. Okay, subtraction. Okay, so value of each will be 5 centimeter. Okay, then what I did know, then I have substituted the values. Okay, so pi I kept as it is. Okay, so multiply by 12 square bracket 5 upon 3 plus 2 multiply by 12 upon 3. Okay, after multiplication, no, after solving, final answer I will get as 1392 pi centimeter cube. Okay, then I substituted the value of pi. I have taken 3.14. Okay, so final answer will be 4370.88 centimeter cube. Question number 39. Okay, second part. A conical cavity of a same height and a diameter of a cylindrical cylinder is drilled in a right circular cylinder. The height is 12 centimeter and the base is 5 centimeter. Find the total surface area. Okay, the figures look somewhat like this. Okay, cylinder and there is a cavity. Okay, cavity of a cone means that they will remove the material. Okay, that part. Okay, so now they told us to find the total surface area of this figure. Okay, so cone each is equal to 12 centimeter, r will be 5 centimeter. Okay, so we need what? L to find what will be the curved surface area of cone pi r l, no, pi r l. Okay, so we need L. Okay, so after substituting these values h and r, I will get the value of L. L will be 13 centimeter, and for cylinder h will be 2 and r will be 5 centimeter. So total surface area. Okay, total surface area will be what? Total surface area of cylinder plus not total surface, CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus base of a cylinder. Okay, see in this figure. Okay, so first what I will remove? CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus base of a cylinder. Down part also is there, no? Okay, so CSA of cylinder will be 2 pi r h plus pi r l plus pi r square. Okay, what is common? Pi r bracket 2h plus l plus r. Okay, after substituting final answer I will get 210 pi. Okay, and then value of the pi I have substituted 22 upon 7. So final answer will be 660 centimeter square. Evaluate the following expression using a logarithm method. 4.2 raised to 5 multiplied by 0.025 upon 7.5. So let x is equal to 4.2 raised to 5 multiplied by 0.025 upon 7.5. Taking log on both the side. Okay, so log x is equal to log bracket whole thing. What is there on top? Now that same thing I have written down. Okay, so log x is equal to log 4.2 raised to 5 plus. Why I have written plus? Because it is a multiplication. Suppose if it is a multiplication, I have to write in logarithm, I have to write plus. Okay, if it is division, I have to write minus. Okay, so plus log 0.025, and here division, so minus log 7.5. so log x is equal to 5 log 4.2 plus log 0.025 minus log 7.5 using log table. Okay, so for 42 I will get 0.6232, for 25 0.3979, and for 75 0.8771. so log x is equal to 5 bracket 0.6232 plus 2 bar. Why 2 bar? Because here characteristic will be 2 bar, okay, for log 0.025, okay. So minus 0.8751, okay. So now I have multiplied, okay, 0.6232 multiplied by 5, okay. So this step, okay, after doing this, then I have done addition of first two numbers, okay. So after adding, I'm getting 1.5139 minus 0.8751, okay. Then after that I will subtract that number, okay. After subtracting, I will get log x is equal to 0.388, okay. So log, if I take on the side, it will be anti-log, okay. So here, okay, so here, yeah, anti-log 0 point, no, so that 10 raised to 0 plus 1, always plus 1 I have to do, okay. For characteristic we do minus, no, for anti-log we have to add plus 1, okay. So 0.43353, okay. So final answer will be your 4.353, okay. Question number 41. Determine the type of a triangular formed by vertices P bracket 2 comma minus 1 and Q 7 comma 3 and R 5 comma 4. Now I have drawn a triangle, okay. So first I will remove distance PQ, okay. After solving PQ, I will get root 41, okay. Then I will find PR, okay. Then I will get root 34. Then I will find QR, okay, and then I will get root 5. Then longest side will be your hypotenuse side, okay. So PQ is equal to root 41, okay. Then I will use Pythagoras theorem over here, okay. Okay, so longest side is equal to other two side, okay. Hypotenuse side is equal to other two side, okay. So I'm getting 41 is not equal to 39. So here all sides are different, therefore it is a scalene triangle. Section D. See this question, okay. Take the class mark denoted A in the interval 30-40. Assume mean, okay. Okay, so D xi will be 5, okay. How I got 5? 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5, okay. Then 10 plus 20, 15, okay. So okay, please see the solution how I have done. Okay, then afterwards summation fi is equal to 80, so a is equal to my 35, okay. They have given us take the class interval 30 to 40, okay. So my a will be 35, so then I have subtracted, okay. Then I have multiply f1 multiply fi multiplied by di, okay. Then the summation of fi di will be minus 400, okay. So assume mean method formula will be x bar is equal to a plus summation fi di upon summation fi. After substituting, I will get the value of mean 30. The mean of a marks scored by the student is 30. Question number 43. This is this you have to do by graphical method, okay. So here the solution should be 3 comma 5, okay. Final answer will be 3 comma 5 after drawing the graph, okay. You will get on a graph the two lines will intersect at 3 comma 5, okay. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5.